Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the Ardor website. Transact or Ardor, a scalable blockchain powered by the first proof of stake consensus network. So let's get started. Ardor is a blockchain as a service platform that evolved from the time-tested NXT blockchain. It launched on January the 1st, 2018, after a successful year of testnet. Parent-child chain energy blockchain blow solutions are reliable and easy. Into the future. Printing of child chain transactions and sharing of snapshots testnets. Additional child chains launched on mainnet. Lightweight contracts. Runner add-on mainnet. Transaction vouchers. Child chain control and token balance migration. You can click this button to complete roadmap. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment down below. You can also go to the Weird Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.